Hey guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience with Ibotta. Ibotta has locked me out of my account for almost 3 weeks, so I'm going to share with you guys my experience and how I got them to unlock my account. Was watching another video, I will leave it linked below, and she was talking about her Ibotta account getting locked, and I was like, oh wow, that's weird. And I was driving to Las Vegas with my husband, and I was trying to redeem a gift card, and I wasn't able to redeem a gift card. Okay, so I submitted my request to Ibotta, letting them know, hey, my account's locked, and I received this message back. It says, we are currently receiving a higher volume of email support than usual. Rest assured, your support request has been received and is in the queue. So clearly, I'm not the only one that has experienced this problem when it comes to Ibotta locking people's accounts. I'm pretty sure that all those email requests were from other people who have had their Ibotta account basically frozen. So I finally heard back from someone about a week later. Okay, so I heard back from someone from Ibotta about a week later, so it took about 2 weeks for my initial email to actually be responded to. And the email basically told me that I needed to, I had a high volume of referrals, which my channel doesn't bring in a whole lot of referrals, but apparently they flagged my account anyways, and they told me I needed to share the validity of the accounts and how did I get all of the referrals and whatnot. And I just had responded and said, hey, I run a YouTube channel. I have a blog. I share my referral link in the description box of my videos as well as my blog and all that stuff. And then I actually referenced to their influencer program because if you didn't know, Ibotta does have an influencer program. So they encourage their influencers to share their referral code with others. So clearly when we share our referral code, we don't personally know that person most of the time. So I just, copy and pasted their terms in their influencer program and said, hey, you guys are encouraging influencers to share the referral code, so there shouldn't be an issue on my end when I have a regular Ibotta account and I don't have when I'm not a part of the influencer program. So there shouldn't be any issue with me sharing my code and people signing up. So it took another 2 weeks for someone to get back to me. I sent them a link to my blog. I sent them a link to my YouTube channel and tried to, share on my end that I'm not doing anything shady. And it took 2 weeks for them to respond back to me to the point where I had to open another ticket because at this point my Ibotta account had been locked for 3 weeks and I still had funds in there. And I'm like, what the heck? Like, unlock my account. I'm not doing anything that's like illegal or anything like that. I'm just doing what Ibotta is telling me to do. So I finally got an email back and my account was unlocked as of like 3 days ago. So now I can cash out and everything like that. But it just makes me a little weary to keep funds in apps. So I think that when it comes to Ibotta or any type of cash rebate app we use to get cash back on anything that we're buying, at the minimum, just cash out. I think that that's probably the best thing to do because Ibotta can just decide one day, hey, we're going to lock your account and you can't pull anything out. And that would have been really inconvenient come the holiday times because I always use my cash apps to cash out. And that's how I find like birthdays and Christmas and stuff like that. So I wasn't really counting on the Ibotta funds in January because Christmas had just passed, but I think going forward, whenever you can cash out, I would say just cash out. So if there's one thing that I can encourage you guys to do is whenever you get to a point where you can cash out with any of your apps, I would say just cash out because you never know when an app is just going to up and decide like, hey, we're going to flag you or we're going to lock you out of your account. You never know, like, if that app is going to go out of business. You never know, because just because it's running one day doesn't mean it's going to be running the next day. So if you can cash out, just cash out. It makes me a little more weary of even sharing Ibotta rebates with you guys, because I know that I am not the only one that has experienced that, and I definitely don't want to put you guys in a position to where you are utilizing the app, you're purchasing the things that the app is telling you to purchase, but then you're told you can't cash out the money that you have earned. So I think I'm going to be a little bit more hesitant with that, and I'm definitely responding back to customer care and just letting them know, like, hey, it's not cool that you locked me out from something that you encouraged me to do. That's what Ibotta wants us to do. They want us to share what Ibotta is. And part of the perk of sharing it is the person who's new to the app gets, I think it's a $10 welcome bonus. And then the person that refers the person gets $5. So I don't know, maybe more people are using Ibotta, so then they're having to pay out more when it comes to like referrals and whatnot. Maybe just more people are learning about it, and Ibotta is trying to figure out how they're going to pay everyone. I have no clue. Just from a business standpoint, it might be like a money thing, and they're just seeing how much money they're shelling out when it comes to like referrals and stuff like that. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see a change in the referral program, because I took a look at the influencer program, and the influencer program, they give you $3 per person who signs up under your code. It's like, it's a $3 cash, but you know, if you go the regular route, you get $5, and you could still cash out with PayPal. So you're still able to get monetary payouts through PayPal, versus the influencer one, you only get $3. And you don't get the cross referral, if that makes any sense. So if you are a influencer out there and you're considering signing up for the Ibotta influencer program, I would say don't do that and just stick with the regular one, because you're going to get paid out $5 versus $3 with the influencer program. So just throwing that out there too, just in case you get contacted by Ibotta and they're like, hey, do you want to sign up with our influencer program? I would say don't do that, because you'll get more in referrals if you go the regular route. So if you are an influencer, or if you're someone who uses a lot of Ibotta rebates and you get a lot of referral traffic in from maybe your Instagram or your Facebook or YouTube or whatever social media platform you work off of, make sure you're checking in with your account and making sure that you are not locked. And if you are locked out, like, just keep on sending requests to customer care, and eventually someone will hopefully get to you. So let me know in the comment section below if you are also experiencing any problems with Ibotta, as well as any other cashback rebates. If you are working with a current rebate app right now and you're having some issues, or you have any questions, leaving them in the comment section below so I can go through them and I can help you guys out, because that is something that I'm really wanting to focusing on in 2019, is really educating you guys on everything that comes to do with couponing and saving money and all that stuff. Because when I get myself in store in an in-store video like CVS, I'm just, you know, talking a mile a minute and talking like you guys know what I'm talking about. But there's new couponers coming to the channel every single day, and I want to make sure that I am putting content out there for you guys that's more educational based, because everyone is coming from different degrees of couponing and saving money and stuff. Not everyone is a seasoned couponer. Not everyone knows all the couponing lingo. So I'm going to be bringing to you guys more educational videos, more tutorial videos, breaking everything down. So if I have said everything and you know everything that I mentioned in this video, yay. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this a like so I know you have enjoyed it. Like this video if it is helpful to you. When it comes to YouTube videos, it really does help out my channel when you hit that like button, when you share this video, when you leave comments below. It really does help out my video. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe on your way out, and I will talk to you guys all soon. I will see you guys back tomorrow for a CVS upcoming deal video. So I will talk to you all later. Happy Tuesday. Bye.